Next is airways. The fastest and most expensive means of travel is by air. So the airways is considered as the fastest though expensive means of travel in India or in any country. It has become extremely important in present times because people need to travel to different places quickly. So in the present situation we use airways, and it is become the most important. Why? Because people they have to travel to different places and they have to reach that particular place in time. So that's why they use airways. Why? Because airways take short duration of time, though it is expensive, but people can reach any place in a short period of time. Helicopters and aeroplanes are some important means of air travel. So what are the example of airways? They are helicopters and aeroplanes. They are also used to carry goods. So even in the airways we can transfer goods, but in a limited amount. Aeroplanes are also carry mail. So even the aeroplanes also carry mails which we send from one place to the other. They are very useful during natural disasters such as earthquake, flood, drought, and in some times of war. So even in the different types of natural calamities or disaster, aeroplane and helicopters, they play an important role so that we can at least transfer food and necessities or different items of our daily needs through aeroplane and helicopters. They are also used to provide food and other amenities to people affected by disaster or a war. So just now I have said you that even in the natural disasters, aeroplane and helicopter play an important role, and we can transfer food and other important needs to the people who are affected by the disaster or a war. Air travel may be domestic or international. So in air travel also there is a two category. Domestic means within a country, and international means from one country to the other country. When people travel by air within the country is called a domestic air travel. So when people travel within a country itself, just like within in India, that traveling is known as domestic air travel. And when people travel to another country by air, it is called international air travel. So when people they travel from one country to the another, for example from India to London, from India to Africa, so this is known as international air travel. Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai and Bangalore are some cities where international airports are located. So these are the cities where international airports are located, and from here we can go from one country to the other country by air easily.